Uh, Your Excellencies, Commissioner, Minister, ladies and gentlemen. First of all, welcome in Riga Technical University. You are here in let's say, newest built faculty building. It's for electrical and power engineering. And we are building this campus, or trying to complete the campus after some 25 or 30 years distance, thanks to European structural funds. And I think our students are very happy to be here and to study in new and good premises of university. I can tell only that our study programs are in very hard relations or with transport and energy. We are leading in those fields in Latvia and I think also in Baltics, because at this moment we have the biggest number of students, undergraduates and graduates together, close to 15,000. And this is the biggest number in Baltics, if we are counting universities of technology. We have good relations, good cooperation here. And in transport, of course, we have Institute of Aeronautics, Institute of Transport, where are programs in railway transport and automobile transport. Also, Faculty of Civil Engineering is have some specialties and preparing specialists to build bridges and roads. It means transport infrastructure. And also, we are doing well in science and research. We have many research projects with in European Union under framework programs. We have good cooperation with European Space Agency, and our leading researchers are working here too, and also with European leading automobile producers like Daimler company, where are producing Mercedes cars. Everybody knows that, but our engineers are doing some research to improve efficiency in those companies, and especially for industrial robots. I can talk more than 2 or 3 hours, but I think it's enough. Again, welcome, Commissioner and the Minister here in our university, and I think this will be very good and fruitful discussion between us. Thank you.